Get ready for the ultimate electric rideable experience with the Hover One Titan electric hoverboard. This sleek and powerful hoverboard is designed to provide smooth riding and endless fun for riders of all skill levels. With 10-inch wheels and a powerful 500W motor, 250W x2, tackling inclines of up to 15 degrees is a breeze. Whether you're cruising around town or exploring new areas, the Hover One Titan's top speed of 8 miles per hour and 8-mile range have you covered. Step onto the Hover One Titan and experience intuitive riding like never before. The board stabilizes as soon as you step on one side, allowing you to confidently place your other foot on. Controls are easy to learn, allowing for smooth acceleration and deceleration by applying pressure with your feet and leaning. Plus, with the best self-balancing system on the market, you'll always feel in control. Enjoy your favorite tunes while you ride with the built-in Bluetooth 4.0 speaker. And with the Android/iOS compatible Bluetooth app, switch between 3 skill modes, enable GPS tracking, play/pause music, and customize your LED lights. Safety is paramount with the Hover One Titan. Receive alerts if you're speeding or riding on unsafe surfaces, and stay visible with LED lights on both sides of the hoverboard. Convert your hoverboard scooter into a go-kart with the buggy attachment for added fun. However, remember to always use safety gear when riding. We recommend Hover One helmets, knee pads, and elbow pads to protect yourself and keep the good times rolling. With IPX4 water resistance and a built-in 36V/4.0 all lithium-ion rechargeable battery, the Hover One Titan is ready for any adventure. So why wait? Buy now, Electric Revolution, and get your Hover One Titan electric hoverboard today.